Very good morning. Welcome back, dears. So today let's start learning preposition. We'll see grammatical concept preposition. So if we read name this concept, we can find out the idea of giving concept. Preposition means place before. Yes, preposition means the words take place before noun. Okay, so preposition means place before. So where we keep preposition, we use preposition before noun, pronoun, or gerund. Yes, we keep preposition or preposition stands before noun, pronoun, or gerund. Okay, and in shows relation. Okay, like there is a sentence, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. So on shows the relation of noun, pronoun to rest of the sentence. Means preposition shows a relation of noun, pronoun to rest of sentence. So preposition is always followed by noun or pronoun. Okay, a preposition is not followed by verb. Okay, again take my words, a preposition is always followed by noun. Okay, but preposition never followed by verb. Okay, but if we want to follow by verb, so we must use ing. Okay, means we must use ing, or we can turn it in gerund also. So preposition is always followed by noun, but a preposition is always followed by noun, never followed by verb. But if we want to follow by verb, so we keep ing. Okay, we use ing with verb. Okay, like a sentence: I am fond of learning book. I am fond of learning story book. Okay, so here fond of preposition, learn verb. So we cannot keep directly preposition of before learn. Okay, because a preposition is always followed by noun, never followed by verb. But here if we want follow by verb, so we can add ing in our verb. Okay, so I am fond of reading storybook. Okay, I am fond of reading a storybook. So read, we attach ing with read. Okay, reading means we turn it in its fourth form. Sorry, then before it we can keep preposition. Okay, and a preposition always needed an object. Okay, a preposition is always needed an object. If there is no object with preposition, there is no object after preposition, so it turned to adverb. It turned to adverb. Like if I give you sentence, uh, I am coming, I am coming in, I am coming in. Okay, I am coming in. So you see where I use in, where you find in, you find in at last. After in there is nothing. Okay, there is none. There is no one after in. Okay, so if suppose there is no noun, okay, after in, so it means now your in turn to your in work like adjective. Okay, I am coming in means in qualify your verb. Okay, so now it turned to adjective, sorry, adverb. So preposition always needed its object. Okay, like I am coming in the room, I am coming in the room, I am coming in the room. Okay, in the room. Okay, so here in the room, I am coming in the room. So the room, it's object of preposition in. Okay, if we talk about kinds of preposition, okay, so there are four kinds of preposition: simple preposition, then compound preposition, then phrasal or group preposition, then number four if we talk about participle preposition. Okay, number one, simple preposition. Simple preposition like in, it, out. Okay, then with. Okay, for, on, into, like that. Okay, in, and, in, uh, in, on, out, off, like that. Easy preposition. With, like that. Okay, so simple preposition. We talk about compound preposition. The preposition begins with a or be. A means above, among, amongst, okay, and what name, along, like that. And be means below, between, behind, before, like that. Okay. Then if we talk about phrasal or group preposition, phrasal verb, phase, okay, phrasal or group preposition, in search of, on account of, on behalf of, in addition to, like that. Then in spite of, in front of, so like that. Okay. So you can call what name, group preposition. Then at last, participle means ing form. So concerning, regarding, respecting, during, like that. Okay. So now we talk about the manner where to keep preposition. So we keep preposition for showing time, place, movement, travel, okay, direction here. So it is about general introduction of preposition. Okay. Now we'll see sum of preposition, where to use preposition. Okay, we'll talk about sum of preposition. So first, one by one we'll see. So suppose first if we talk about 8, so where to keep 8? 8 we keep before a fixed point. Okay, where we mention, okay, we mention about something, look at the board, okay, look at the board, like that. So for fixed time, for a fixed point we use 8. Okay. Then if we talk about small areas like colony, road, street, okay, where we use 8. Small area, okay, uh, I am living 8 Brasdham colony in Harda. Okay, so 8 we use for a small area. Then for pointing out something, for mentioning something, I use 8. Okay, look at the board, look at me, look at his face. Okay. Then for specific, for particular place, okay, or point, like at the meeting, at, at weekend, okay, at the auditorium, like that. Then if we talk about the state of day, so here also we can use 8 noon, 8 midnight, 8 evening, okay, 8 noon, 8 midnight, okay, at midday. So here we can use at the conference, here we can use. Then if we talk about, yes, the particular point of time, okay, clock, like it's 6 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock, like that. Then for particular place, okay, point, the point means here we have given exception. Okay, we have given exception. Like if suppose your train has your train has halt. Okay, your train has a short halt where, Khandwa. But Khandwa is a big city. We apply in for Khandwa, in Khandwa. But here your train is stopping at where, at outer, okay, an outer, or station. If you are talking about station in Khandwa, okay, so we will use 8 Khandwa. Okay, means you are using 8 Khandwa, 8 Indore, 8 Bhopal, but you are not showing about whole city, you are showing the particular place, like station, means your train will stop at this station. So for at this station it's okay, but for, if you are just keeping the name of the city also for showing that place, okay, so you can call it 8 Khandwa, 8 Indore, 8 Bhopal. Okay, it's an exception. Okay, so we can use 8. And so 8 where we use stationary position. Okay, I have shown you about the stationary position also, means stationary like at time, okay, at home, at the age of 90. Okay. Then we have seen a small place, a small area, village, colony, road, special place, definite place, then a street, road, like that. So we have seen that at the meeting, at the conference. Suppose we talk about the road at Firoz Shah Kotla Road, okay, at the airport, at the railway station, at the Vijayanagar, okay. Then if we talk about the point of time, so we have seen at 9 o'clock, okay, at 7 o'clock. If we talk about the rate, yes, speed, at high speed. Okay, then rate. So we have bought mango at 50 rupees kg. Okay, at 50 rupees kg, at rupees 50 a kg. Okay, so you can write here also for showing the rate. Okay, at 50 rupees, at 50 rupees. Okay, and for point out something I have mentioned you before, like look at the board, look at me. Okay, at the corner, so we can use here 8. Okay, now we'll talk about the in. So in first we use in for stationary. Okay, in 8 both we can use for a stationary object, for stationary position. For stationary position, number 1, stationary like in the room. Okay, where you are covered by all sides. Okay, or for showing three dimensional. Okay, shape. Okay, or covered by all side, so you can use in for a stationary object. Okay, like in the room. Okay, in the class. And if something is inside, for showing inside. Okay, like diamond in her ring. Okay, so for inside something, you can use in. And for showing movement also, you can use in. How? The train is in motion. Okay, if we talk about in at the time of 8. Okay, we use for small places. Here we use in for big places. Okay, like city, big area, vast area, country. Okay, in metro city, a town. Okay, state, continent. Okay, in Mumbai, in Delhi, in Madhya Pradesh, in Antarctica. Okay, like that. In Asia, for continent also. Then for showing what name, larger, big time duration. Okay, for showing larger or big time duration, for showing larger, long or big time, period of time or time duration. Like if we talk about the name of the month, in February. Okay, if we talk about the name of the year, in 1992, in 2017. Okay, then in winter, in summer. Okay, you can use in summer, winter. In 20th century, you can use. Then aspect of day, state of day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Okay, but if we talk about night, so 8 night, 8 midnight we use. Okay, and like that you can use in. Now if we talk about after 8 or in, we'll see two in two words. Okay, so two words shows the particular direction also. Two words we show for showing direction. Okay, two is most important for everyone. So two for showing destination. You are going to school, she is going to Bhopal to show destination. Then direction. Okay, for showing direction, turn to left, turn to right. Okay, then when we have given prefer. Okay, I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer playing cricket to watching movie. Okay, to prefer to. Then from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, like that also we use. And we use to for infinitive, for showing infinitive, last form of the verb. Okay, to go, to come, to watch. Okay, we are going there, we are going to watch movie, we are going talkies, we are going theater to watch movie. Okay, then next we can use from until from Monday to Friday. Okay, we can use here also until from Monday to Friday. Okay, then if we talk about the time, so now it's 5 minutes to 7. Okay, it's 10 minutes to 12. Okay, it's 2 minutes to 9, like that. So here we can use. Then in order to. Okay, so direction, turn to left, turn to right. Okay, destination, we are going to Bhopal, going to school. Then until. Okay, until from Monday to Saturday, from 12:30 to 3:30, like that. Okay, then it's 5 minutes to 9. Okay, like that also we can use for showing time. Then prefer, you prefer coffee to tea. Okay, two. Then we use infinite, infinitive, for infinitive, like 2 plus v1. Okay, like to buy, to purchase, to sell. Okay, to find out. Then in order to also, in order to, we at the time when we use in order to. Now we'll talk about the into. Into shows movement. Okay, into shows uh, inverts movement. Okay, inverts movement, direct inverse or inverts movement. Okay, like like he jumped. Okay, he jumped into the well. So it shows a movement, it shows flow or continuity. He jumped into the well. Okay, into the well, into the river, into the cabin. Okay, means we are going into the cabin. Okay, so and if we talk about change of state, in case of change of state also we use change of state, change of condition. For changing state, for changing condition also we use. Okay, like the boy change, the boy change, okay, into men. The boy change into men here. Okay, milk is converted into curd. Milk is converted into curd. Okay, here. And if we talk about yeah, like if suppose tell we stepped into the cabin, we stepped, we stepped into the room. Okay, here we can use. So it is about that. Then if we talk about with or by, with, okay, we know about the with. Okay, with means we use with like instrument. Okay, with the stick, with the knife. Okay, then if at the time of like if there is something between two. Okay, like conversation with. Okay, then talking with, quarreling with. Okay, fighting with, means it shows each other. Okay, between each other. Then by for showing agent. Okay, when we turn active voice to passive voice, we use agent. By me, by you, by them. Okay, number one. Then number two, if we talk about the why, we can use vehicle, for showing vehicle. Okay, by bus, by car, by train. Okay, but here we have given exception. What is exception? If you have a specific, okay, if you are showing a specific vehicle. Okay, for showing a specific vehicle we are not using by, with a specific vehicle. Okay, like on the bike. Okay, in a scooty. Okay, like that. So for a vehicle, for a specific vehicle we are not using, like my scooty, his car. If you have given my scooty, his car, so you are not going to use. Okay, by at that time. Then if we talk about what name, deadline. For giving deadline also we use by. You have to do this work by the end of the day. You have to submit your project by the end of the week, or by the end of the week. Okay, like that you can use. So it's about with and by. Then if we talk about in or within. Okay, in, suppose, so in means after. In means after given time. Suppose I give you example, I will come back in 20 minutes. I will come back, I will come back in 20 minutes. It means I will come after 20 minutes. Okay, means out of given time, means after given time. We use it for after given time. I will come back in 20 minutes. Okay, so means after 20 minutes. I want to tell that I'm telling you that I will come after 20 minutes. Okay, not within. Okay, so next, within. Within means before. Okay, means in. If I tell you I will come back in 20 minutes, is it means I will come after 20 minutes. Okay, means it shows after given time. But if we talk about I will come back within 20 minutes, within 20 minutes, so it denotes before 20, it denotes before. Okay, before given time. Then beside and besides. If we talk about beside and besides, so in this case beside means, beside means I am sitting beside her. Okay, so beside means you can use at the side of. Beside means at the side of. And if we talk about besides, so beside means as well as in addition to. Okay, as well as in addition to. Okay, so how we can use he has a car besides bike. Okay, he has a car besides bike. He has a car as well as bike. Okay, so you can use here. Then between and among. Between means a distribution and divide something between two. Between two and more than two, but it should be definite in number. It should be close and definite. Okay, if you have given between, so between means between two. I'm going to distribute sweets between Ram and Sham. And you can express the, you can tell about the place also, between, like between Harda Hoshangabad, between Harda Nemawar. Okay, like that, between Harda and Khandwa. So you can show the place also. Okay, in between, so between two. But it can be three also, it can be four also, it can be five also, but you must check about the definite number. If you have given definite number, so you can use for more than two also, but you should have given the definite number. Okay, so how means so we have example, a treaty. Okay, a treaty was signed between three parties. A treaty was signed between three parties, means three. It denotes definite number, that's why. And if we talk about the among means more than two. Okay, but indefinite. Okay, means I distribute, I government. Okay, government distribute ration. Okay, among the poors. So more than two, but indefinite in number. In that case, we use among. Okay. So it was about today's preposition. We'll see tomorrow. Next remain prepositions. Okay. Thank you very much.